This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
With the ignition key in the off position, pry up on the sides of the battery cover and remove the cover. Then loosen the negative battery cable nut and disconnect the cable from the negative terminal of the battery. Raise the front of the vehicle and support it securely on jack stands. Remove the under-engine splash shield, if necessary, to access the starter. Remove the secondary air injection pump, starting with disconnecting the electrical connector. Disconnect the connected tubes and remove the mounting bolts. Then remove the air injection pump to gain access to the starter. Disconnect the smaller starter control cable and the larger battery cable from the starter solenoid terminals. Remove the starter mounting bolts and remove the starter motor. Install the starter. Tighten the mounting bolts to 39 foot-pounds. Reconnect the starter solenoid electrical connections. Tighten the nut on the battery positive cable securely. Install the air injection pump, first connecting the tubes and electrical connector. Install the mounting bolts for the pump and tighten them securely. Install the under-engine splash shield if equipped. Lower the vehicle. Connect the cable to the negative terminal of the battery and tighten the negative cable nut securely. Install the battery cover, securing all the side retaining tabs.